All right, so now I'm gonna cook these two. I don't want to make all of them because saving them for later. But yeah, they're really freaking delicate. But I washed them, which I don't even think I have to wash them. But and we don't have any oil, so I'm just gonna use butter and salt and pepper. Yeah, look at these things, dude. They're pretty cool. If I can focus. Apparently, you have to be really good at cooking these, otherwise, they won't taste right. So, we'll see how that goes. Throwing them in. A bit of salt. And a bit of pepper. All right. My camera feels so weird. I don't know. The quality feels like off for some reason. Whatever. Let me get a fork. I think the website said they're supposed to taste nutty and something else. Ow. Okay, hold on. All right. Kind of just letting them sit in the butter. I don't really cook mushrooms ever. So we'll see how it goes. I just want to make sure I cook them right. You know, if it tastes weird though, I want to make sure they're cooked enough. Oh yeah, they're getting soft. Yeah, so next time if I make this kind again, I'm gonna leave them out in light to get them, you know, yellower. So they're pretty much white, I'd say. Oh, that one might be done. Alright, I think they're almost done. Alright, let's try these out. Let me Move that. I'd say those are cooked enough, for sure. We get a plate. Those are gonna be hot. So yeah, there they are. Golden oysters. I can barely. Am I just not strong enough? Let's hope I'm not allergic to it. Actually, they kind of smell nutty. See that? It's still really hot. All right, this one's cooled off a little bit. I'm gonna try it. I've never had this kind before. I used to not even like these. Wow, these are actually they're pretty good. Holy cow. Yeah, I don't really know how to like explain what they taste like. I mean, it tastes like a mushroom. I don't know. They're just good. They're just good. All right. So that's the golden oyster mushroom. I don't know what I'm gonna grow next. Well, those will recycle like 3 more times, I think. So yeah. All right, that's it for this video.